Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Radha, and today's video we are going to do a review for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. I have it here already and I want to say it is the most hits and upgraded phones of Samsung in this 2023. So yeah, I am so excited to talk about this even though I'm not an expert, but I'm gonna do my part. We are gonna go through the design, the functions, the battery life, the cameras and all that. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then let's get started. First of all, I decided to trade in the Flip 4 to get the Z Flip 5. The reasons we want to trade in is that the cost is very inexpensive. Samsung offered about $50 to get a brand new Flip 5. So I decided to go with that and get the upgraded phone, and I am so excited. That is why I still have the Flip 4, and I think it's such a good opportunity to compare the Flip 4 and Flip 5 for you guys to see the difference. Here is the most popular flippable phone in 2023, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. As you can see, the big upgrade would be the cover screen. The cover screen gets a lot bigger than the Flip 4. I will give more details about it in a second, but let me show you what comes in the box. So here is the box that I received, and if you haven't watched my unboxing video, feel free to check them out. Here is basically the box of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's such a plain, simple black box right here. Once you open it, it will just be like this. It comes with the USB cable, a piece of paper, notes, and all the instructions, and a little pins right here. That is basically what is come in the box. Charger is not included in the past few years. So yeah, that is about it in the box. Speaking of the designs of this phone has a very great design. I would say Samsung did a very good job in design. It's really minimalist style and sleek yet cute at the same time, and I am so obsessed with the colors that come with. There are varieties color available, but I decided to get the mint one since mint is a signature color of this year. So yeah, it is such a beautiful mint color that I would never thought of. The color doesn't pop up that much, so I like that. The size is amazing. It's very easy to hold. It's a nice compact phone that I can carry around. Now let's talk about the feature of this phone. I would say the biggest highlight of this phone is the cover screen. The cover screen is a lot bigger than the Flip 4. And as you can see, the Flip 4 has a 1.9 inch of the cover screen, while Flip 5 is 3.4 inch, which means we can do a lot of stuff on the cover screens instead of flip it open. Another thing I see difference in these two phones is the camera positions. As you can see, the Flip 4 has the vertical, while Flip 5 horizontals. And lastly, Samsung made the first flippable phone close flat like that. As you can see, and I'm gonna show you the difference between the Flip 4 that doesn't close properly. This gap has been an issue in the past for the dust protections, and I believe that this Flip 5 will make it better or improve on the dust protections. Now let's just talk about the most coolest thing in Flip 5, which is the cover screens. Now cover screen gets wider and bigger, which means we can use the cover screen for multi-functions. I found cover screen is very helpful and useful, especially to see notifications, to check on the calendar, weather, the clock, or check on other application. Now Samsung has an application called Good Luck to use the application you want on the cover screen, which means you can use any application you want on the cover screen, which I find it very fun. So right now I can have my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube, or even Netflix to watch on my cover screens, which is amazing. A little details about the cover screens, guys. If I want to listen to the music, I can definitely go to my Spotify. I pick out the song, and then I just go back to my home page. the song will be showing on the home page right here on the little corner. This works as well as the clock, and you can set the timer and everything. It's just gonna show right on this corner. If you want to go back on the music page, you can just press this one and it's gonna go back on your music page or my Spotify. Wallpaper and style is something that I find is fun to play with, either on your cover screens or your home screens and lock screens. It is really fun to play around with it. There are many wallpaper and style that you can pick out and different theme. You can definitely try to look up on that. I also like using 2 pages at a time. I think I mentioned this already in my previous video of the Flip 4, but I still love these functions. Very helpful to do things at the same time. I still be able to check on my email while watching YouTube, and that is a plus. Well, these are basic stuff that I can skip on it, but I want to talk a little bit about the camera. Camera's quality is exactly the same with the Flip 4. There is not much difference for the previous versions, but there is an upgrade on the cover screen, so you will be able to see the cameras on cover screens, which I think that is really good, especially if you want to take a selfie or taking video or picture by yourself. That is very helpful. If you are by yourself and you want to take a picture or selfie, you definitely can by just doing this. So yeah, that is really convenient and very easy. You can take a video through cover screens as well. It's full screen, so that is amazing. And lastly, Samsung claims that there is a better battery life on this Flip 5, so I expect the batteries hold a little bit longer. I'm not sure if you are able to see the crease, but in person, I still see the crease, but it doesn't really bother me. Just so you know that the crease is still visible, and I think it's a little bit better than the Flip 4 though. Once you use the phone, you hardly see it, so that is good. Overall guys, I think this is such a great flippable phone in 2023. If you are looking for a compact phone with multifunctional, I think this is the best choice for you. If you are looking for upgrading the new phone, I highly recommend the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I think that is it about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!